everyone! Welcome to my channel. I am Aletta. So, one of the positive things that this pandemic brought me is attending to some pending stuff, including what I'm about to do now. So I will no longer say I will get back to you, I will chat to you, because I'm definitely coming back to you like now. So anyway, here it is. A lot of my friends, relatives, and some random people are asking me, what was the first thing that we did when we decided to get married here in the Philippines? Is it difficult, taking into consideration that he is an American citizen? Well, the first thing that we did is we processed a document that is called Certificate of Legal Capacity to Contract Marriage. So before we dig in to how and where can we get this, let me just briefly explain to you what and why this is needed. So the Philippine government requires all foreigners to provide a certificate of legal capacity to contract marriage from his or her embassy before filing for a marriage license. So essentially, this is the first document that you should accomplish before you can get things done. So you cannot fix a wedding date, you won't be hearing any wedding bells, or get a marriage license without this. Why? Because this certification affirms that there are no legal impediments to the foreigner marrying a Filipino. Example, if the foreigner is already married to someone else. It's kind of like a Sanumar here, but unlike the Philippines, and many other foreign countries, the U.S. government does not keep a central statistical registry for like births, marriages, or deaths. And they cannot verify this information like in one click or something for all the 50 states. So that's it. So now we are down to how and where can we get it. So there are actually two offices that you can get it. Number one is from the embassy in Manila. All you need to do is book an appointment on their website. The link is below. Don't worry, you just have to click that. So after that, you print the confirmation of your appointment and bring it to the U.S. Embassy upon the scheduled date. But what if you are from Visayas or you are from Mindanao? There is actually a consular agency in Cebu. But contrary to Manila, Cebu's consular agency is a walk-in, first-come, first-served basis each day. So they're open from 8:30 a.m. until 10:30 a.m. for different transactions, visa stuff, all the U.S. citizen stuff. So you have to be there really, really early. No afternoons, okay? 8:30 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. So for us, we arrived in Cebu a day before we processed it. So on the day of the processing, we managed to be at the embassy at about 6 a.m. Yeah, I know. That is really early. So what to bring? You need to bring all divorce decrees or death certificates that show that the U.S. citizen is free to marry. You also need to bring, your fiancé also need to bring his valid passport, U.S. passport. And also there is a fee of $50 in cash. It could also be a Philippine Peso equivalent, or it could also be a credit card. So you, fiancés of Americans seeking legal capacities to marry, actually did not need to appear. So you're not needed there. So, once you are already inside, you have to fill out the form. And then there's a payment. And then there is an interview. Why did I actually know about this? Oh, yeah, because I was actually permitted to go inside because we're very early. So there's no people traffic whatsoever. So, yeah. So once you are already inside, you have to fill out the form, and then there's a payment, and then there is an interview. And then after that, you have to wait for the certificate to come out, sealed and signed by the U.S. Official representative. The timeline for this one is from, it opens 8:30 a.m., but you have to be there at 6 a.m. again, and then up until 12 noon. They will stop receiving transactions at 10:30 a.m. and they will only cater those that are already inside until 12 noon. So you have to spare half of your day for this. Okay, so that's it. You got your certificate. So for more information, please visit the phusembassy.gov. That is the link that I have told you a while ago. It is below. So I hope this video served you well. So if you have any questions, feel free to comment below and I'll be happy to answer them. Thank you for watching. Hit like and subscribe.